Tucked beneath the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore sits one of the most peaceful and surprisingly unique spots in northern Michigan, North Bar Lake. This crystal clear inland lake has golden sand, creating a scene that feels almost unreal. Today, I'm taking you along with me on a walking tour through the dunes and down to the shoreline to show you exactly why this place stands out from just about anywhere else in the area. Let's go. We did switch to flip-flops. So once we get to the water, all right. Rip cards. Yeah, the sun is starting to come out a little bit. So this turned into a sandy path right here, still relatively flat. Gonna make our way up, see what views we can see. Yeah, go for it. You can take your shoes off. We are officially on the beach. Kicking off our shoes. And off she goes. Got a few picnic tables over there. They're everywhere.
It's kind of cold.
Yes, it is.
Found a spiral one.
Let's see it. That's really cool. Alright, it says Dune Preservation Area, do not enter. I imagine they're talking about to the left here, so
I'm gonna sit.
I'm gonna go up on the path here.
There's some stairs.
I know. A little bit of a hike up here.
Look, sand.
Yes, it is.
You might want to come here a warmer day because sand can get cold.
That's right. Wow. Wow, you can see the dunes off in the distance. Beautiful. All right, a little bit of a journey down here, but we're officially made it. Got the dunes off in the corner there. This is Lake Michigan, North Bar Beach. We really enjoyed our trip to North Bar Beach. We found a lot of cool shells and rocks. There were some awesome views of the dunes out in the distance, and we would highly recommend you stopping by, checking this place out. It was very peaceful, and although we visited on a cold day, this was definitely worth the trek. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guy. Until next time, I'm Justin.